Shadowing is a powerful technique for improving your English speaking skills. It's simple. Listen to a native speaker and repeat what they say, mimicking their pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. This method helps you internalize the language, making it feel more natural. Start with short clips, maybe a scene from a movie or a podcast. Play a sentence, pause, and repeat. Focus on the sounds and flow of the language. This isn't just about repeating words, it's about capturing the essence of how they're spoken. Over time, you'll notice your confidence growing. You'll start to think in English, and your speaking will become more fluid. Plus, it's a fun way to immerse yourself in the language. So grab your favorite audio, and let's start shadowing our way to fluency.